Wala pang isinasa publikong arrest warrant ang ICC, pero meron daw ipapadalang sabina ang PNP kay Senator Bato de la Rosa. Ang ugat niyan, ang papel ng senador sa umano'y extrajudicial killings noong war on drugs ng Administrasyong Duterte. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan si Dave Abuel.
The CIDG will issue a subpoena tomorrow to General De La Rosa to appear personally before the CIDG office here in aid of investigation of the previous crimes.
Ipapasabpina si dating PNP chief at ngayon Senator Bato de la Rosa. Yan ang sentro ng naging press con ni Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla kanina. Manggagaling ang sabpina sa PNP Criminal Investigation and Detection Group at kailangan personal na humarap si Bato. Ang ugat niyan, ang investigasyon ng House Quad Committee sa papel ni De La Rosa sa umano'y extrajudicial killing sa Davao Region.
He has never been personally investigated. This was triggered again by the rumors of the impending red notice, and we have now taken it upon ourselves to continue the investigation of these matters. It's all related to the 100 plus complaints of EJK that occurred during his term as City Director and Regional Director of Davao.
Paglilinaw ni Remulla, hindi ito arrest warrant. Wala rin daw itong kinalaman sa International Criminal Court.
I will repeat, we are not a member of the ICC. We are not working with the ICC. This is a purely internal matter that we are. There will be no handcuffs. It is merely a subpoena for investigation, not an arrest warrant.
Pero nang tanungin kung dahil sa Quadcom hearing ang sabpina, bakit ngayon lang? Sagot ni Remulla,
Well, again, it is a renewed interest because of all the rumors that were sparking. Just to set things clear, we decided to do it the proper way, to investigate in the proper way, and to debunk all the rumors that have been circulating.
kahapon lumabas ang impormasyong pinaaresto na umano ng ICC si Senator De La Rosa. Ayon sa mapagkakatiwalaang source ng News 5, nasa Pilipinas na rin daw ang mga kinatawan ng Interpol para sa pag-aresto kay De La Rosa. Pero ayon sa ICC, wala pa silang inilalabas na public arrest warrant. Kung matatandaan, March 7 noong nakaraang taon, nag-issue ang ICC Pre-Trial Chamber 1 ng arrest warrant kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Classified ang warrant na secret. Makalipas ang 4 na araw, March 11, ginawang public ang arrest warrant. Sa parehong araw, naaresto ang dating Pangulo. Pero sa ngayon, ayon sa DILG, wala pa silang natatanggap na impormasyon o kopya ng naturang warrant.
We do not have a red notice for General De La Rosa. Okay, news has been circulating. I have not seen a copy. I have no information of a copy.
Binuwag na rin umano ni Remulla ang dapat sanang task force na aaresto kay De La Rosa.
Well, as I said, there is a 10,000-man task force that, okay, let me just make it clear, okay? That was in reaction to reports that there was an impending warrant. However, the ICC has said that there is none, okay? So we have dismantled that task force.
Muli pang paglilinaw ng kalihim, hindi lang ang senador ang ipapatawag ng CIDG.
We have to put a stop to all of this chatter. We have to make it clear that EJK is no longer a policy of the PNP. We have to make it clear that all officers involved must be held accountable. And just to be clear, he was the tip of the spear in the EJK drive, so we will start with him and investigate down further.
Naniniwala si Remulla na nasa Davao Region si De La Rosa. Inalerto na rin daw nila ang mga pulis para sa ihahain na sabpina. Sinubukan ng News 5 na humingi ng pahayag kay Senator De La Rosa at sa kanyang legal counsel, pero wala pa silang sagot. November 2025 pa umuugong na may arrest warrant ang senador. Mula noon, hindi na siya nagpakita sa publiko at hindi na pumasok sa Senado. Isa si De La Rosa sa mga pinangalanang co-perpetrator o kasabwat umano ni dating Pangulong Duterte sa kasong crimes against humanity. Ito'y kaugnay ng madugong war on drugs noong nakaraang administrasyon kung saan nagsilbi siyang PNP chief. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, Dave Abuel, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Nikki de Guzman po. Para sa mga impormasyong dapat ninyong malaman, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.